So I was trying to figure out how to make an interactive spinner that I could use with my class. This is one that I made. It has the different exercises on it. There's just a pretty preliminary one. I'm going to show you how I made that. When you click on it, it actually does like an automatic spin, and then it'll come up and tell you the exercise you're going to do, 10 mountain climbers, gives a little cheer. Then you can go ahead and click it again and it'll go again. So the way that I made this is I went to the website wheelofnames.com. When you go there, it's for calling on students, just a random spinner, but you can use it for exercises too. So I just went ahead and deleted that. And I just put in some basic exercises. Let's just say 10 push-ups, 10 sit-ups, 10 toe touches, 15 jumping jacks. So those are the exercises I'm going to do. You could do more. I'm just going to do 4 just for the purposes of this. Come up here to the share button. You click on share. It's going to give you a disclaimer just saying that anyone can see this. You can actually, in this, once you hit continue, you can put it so they can only spin the wheel. They can't edit your product, which is good, especially if you're going to share this with students. So we're going to continue. So here's the link to that spinner that we made. Now I'm going to close this. Then you go to Google Sites, create a new Google site. You do this really quickly. All you have to do is go in the upper left-hand corner and name your presentation. So up here, this is going to be, I've done a couple of these. So this is my fitness spinner 3. I'm just going to title this again, just exercise spinner or fitness spinner. I want my header to be just a title, take up a little bit less space. Then you come over here to embed on the right-hand side under insert. You click on embed. We're going to do it by URL. From URL, we just type in our website. Let's do the whole page. We do insert. And so now this is my spinner. All I have to do now is publish up here in the right-hand corner. Fitness spinner 3 is fine. Publish it. And then my finished site looks like this. Again, taking a little while to load. We have a lot of people on the internet right now. So click to spin, you click it, and it's just like the exercise spinner that I showed you earlier. So I hope this tutorial works out for you and you can make some cool ones. Good luck to you.